Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find where guys the fuse is for the cigarette lighter socket on the front. Stay with us and we'll explain that today. Before we start, let me tell you guys what we do here at the shop. Okay, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every single car we get at the shop. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any tools or parts, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, what's the plan on that Hyundai Sonata? We're planning on making at least 200 electrical videos and videos about fixing guys, electrical problems, diagnostics, electrical problems related to computers and things like that. All that will be shared on this channel. Now, we'll also be making more than 300 free mechanical videos guys, fixing pretty much anything on that engine, taking the whole car apart. All that will go on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. And on this channel, Auto Repair guys, we have helped more than 100 million people, so please check it out guys. We have so much information that can save you so much money in the future guys. Thousands of dollars in future repairs can be saved. So with all that being said, let's explain what we need to do. So that's the fuse box that we need to remove the lid on now guys. Press in here, this, pull up, okay, and pull it out. We need to get that fuse puller, grab it and remove it. Now we need to come inside and let me show you what we have here guys. Okay, I'm talking about the cigarette lighter socket, okay, right there, okay, on that Hyundai Sonata. If they do not work, we need to explain which two fuses you need to check. Come right here guys, okay, go ahead, open that cap, okay, just like that. You need to pull it and then inside you're going to find all the different fuses here. So let me find something to point with so I can show you, okay, this thing, where exactly is the fuse that we need specifically guys, okay, for that repair. So if you come right here now and you look at it guys, okay, this way, this one will be the fifth row from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 15 amp fuse right here. This is guys for power outlet 1. The one next to it is for power outlet 2. These two fuses guys need to be checked, 15 amp fuses. How we do that? Grab the fuse, pull it out, and this is the fuse guys, okay, right here. You can see. Now, how you guys find out if the fuse is good or bad? What I'll recommend now guys at that point, go ahead guys actually and test it. We have a special video that explains how to test the fuses. Takes only a few minutes and you will know for sure if it's good or bad, because sometimes you cannot tell for sure and you don't want to waste your money and time guys. So always test them or replace it with a new one. So those two fuses are here. Then we have one that's hidden guys. Okay, we have another fuse that's actually hidden that can control, okay, the cigarette lighter as well, and I will explain about that, okay, in just a second. Perfect. Okay, let me come out and show you, okay, which fuse we're talking about. Okay, let me get something to point with actually, okay, that thing, so you can see clearly the fuse that we need to check. So if you come right here guys, this is the box, okay, that we have for the fuses. On the lids you have the you can see it says the numbers of the fuses and all that stuff. You need to check this fuse that's called B2. This is a 50 amp fuse right here. Check it. Okay, that one could be for the cigarette lighters as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.